Are you in your 40s or 50s? Do you ever feel like time is slipping away? You're not alone. Many people in this stage of life start to feel a financial squeeze. The kids' college funds are calling, retirement seems closer than ever, and unexpected expenses pop up like unwelcome guests. You might be thinking, is it too late to get my finances in order? The answer is a resounding no. Now is the time to leverage your experience and create a rock-solid financial future. Let's get started. For many, the 40s and 50s represent a time of significant change. Children may be leaving the nest, careers are often well established, and retirement is on the horizon. With these changes come new financial opportunities and challenges. Think of this as a new chapter in your financial journey. This essay will help you harness your assets and create a personalized roadmap to financial freedom. Whether you're starting with a comfortable nest egg or playing catch-up, the strategies outlined here can help you achieve your financial goals. Let's embark on this journey together and unlock the incredible financial potential that awaits you. To navigate the financial waters of your 40s and 50s successfully, you'll need the right set of tools. First, you'll need a budget. It's the foundation of sound financial management. A budget helps you track your income and expenses, identify areas where you can save, and allocate funds towards your financial goals. Next, it's time to get serious about saving. Aim to build an emergency fund that can cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Additionally, start setting aside money specifically for retirement. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Finally, explore different investment options. Investing is crucial for building long-term wealth and outpacing inflation. Consider diversifying your portfolio with a mix of stocks, bonds, and real estate. If you're unsure where to begin, seek guidance from a financial advisor. These tools will be your financial allies, each playing a crucial role in helping you achieve your goals. While financial tools are essential, your mindset is equally important. The way you think about money can significantly impact your financial success. Start by believing in your ability to achieve financial well-being. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations and visualize yourself achieving your financial goals. Embrace a long-term perspective. Financial success is a marathon, not a sprint. Focus on building sustainable habits and making consistent progress toward your goals. Continuously educate yourself about personal finance. The more you learn, the more confident and empowered you'll become. Your mindset can be your greatest asset in achieving financial success. Unlocking financial prosperity in your 40s and 50s requires a long-term vision. It's about making strategic decisions today that will set you up for financial freedom and security in the years to come. Maximize your retirement contributions. Take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans like 401(k)s and consider opening individual retirement accounts or IRAs. Don't neglect estate planning. Consult with an estate planning attorney to create a will, designate beneficiaries, and establish a durable power of attorney. Achieving financial well-being in your 40s and 50s is a multifaceted endeavor. By embracing these principles, you can create a secure and prosperous future for yourself and your loved ones. Remember, it's about utilizing the right financial tools, adopting a positive mindset, and keeping a long-term perspective. Many in their 40s and 50s find themselves facing a familiar pressure the sandwich generation squeeze. You're sandwiched between the needs of aging parents who may require financial assistance and your children, who may still be financially dependent. This dual responsibility can put a significant strain on your finances. It's crucial to acknowledge these competing demands and create a realistic budget that addresses all your financial obligations. Open and honest communication with your family is essential. Discuss financial expectations and explore ways to share responsibilities. Seeking support from financial advisors or family counselors can provide valuable guidance. You can create a plan that honors your commitments to your loved ones while still prioritizing your own financial well-being. As you enter your 40s and 50s, retirement transitions from a distant concept to a fast-approaching reality. The finish line is in sight, and you need to ensure you have enough saved to enjoy those golden years comfortably. Take a realistic look at your current savings and expenses and create a detailed retirement budget. Consider working with a financial advisor to develop a personalized catch-up plan. Your 40s and 50s are a crucial time to prioritize retirement planning. The sooner you address any potential shortfalls, the more time you have to close the gap and secure a comfortable and fulfilling retirement. Debt can cast a long shadow over your financial well-being, especially as you navigate your 40s and 50s. Credit card balances, mortgages, and even student loans can accumulate over time, creating a significant financial burden. Start by creating a detailed debt repayment plan. Prioritize high-interest debts first while making consistent, on-time payments towards all your debts. Explore options like debt consolidation or balance transfers to potentially lower interest rates and simplify payments. Credit counseling agencies can provide valuable guidance and resources to help you navigate debt. Remember, you're not alone in this journey, and there are solutions available to help you break free from the burden of debt. Saving money is crucial in your 40s and 50s. This is the time to really ramp up your savings efforts. Make sure your emergency fund is well stocked to cover at least 6 months of living expenses. Examine your budget for potential savings opportunities. Small changes can make a big difference over time. Consider automating your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings and investment accounts each month. This pay-yourself-first approach ensures that you're consistently prioritizing your financial goals. Explore options to increase your income. Can you negotiate a raise or promotion at work? Boosting your income can accelerate your savings and help you reach your financial goals faster. Investing is key to building long-term wealth and securing your financial future. In your 40s and 50s, your investment strategy should balance growth potential with risk management. Start by maximizing contributions to retirement accounts like 401(k)s and IRAs. Diversify your investment portfolio across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. If you're unsure about how to diversify effectively, consider working with a financial advisor. Regularly review and rebalance your portfolio to ensure it aligns with your long-term goals. Managing debt effectively is crucial in your 40s and 50s. High-interest debt can really drain your income and hinder your ability to save and invest. Tackle your debts strategically to regain control of your finances and free up cash flow for your financial goals. Consider debt consolidation options, such as balance transfer credit cards or debt consolidation loans. If you're struggling with student loan debt, explore income-driven repayment plans or loan forgiveness programs. Focus on making consistent, on-time payments while exploring strategies to accelerate your debt repayment. In your 40s and 50s, you're at the peak of your career. Now is the perfect time to leverage your expertise to maximize your earning potential. Don't be afraid to negotiate your salary. Even a small salary increase can significantly impact your long-term savings and investment growth. Consider exploring new career opportunities that offer higher earning potential or better benefits. Networking within your industry can open doors to exciting new possibilities. Think about diversifying your income streams. Explore side hustles, freelance work, or online business opportunities. Generating additional income can accelerate your financial goals and provide an extra layer of financial security. As your income grows in your 40s and 50s, it's tempting to increase your spending accordingly. However, maintaining a mindful approach to spending and saving is essential for achieving long-term financial well-being. Review your budget regularly and identify areas where you can reduce unnecessary expenses. Make saving a non-negotiable part of your financial plan. Automate your savings by setting up regular transfers from your checking account to your savings and investment accounts. Embrace a mindset of mindful consumption. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if it aligns with your values and financial goals. Delaying gratification and carefully considering your purchases can help you avoid impulse buys. Small, consistent efforts can make a significant difference over time. Section 3. Safeguarding your financial future. In your 40s and 50s, it's crucial to think beyond your immediate financial needs and take steps to safeguard your financial future. This includes protecting your assets, planning for unexpected events, and ensuring that your loved ones are taken care of. Review your insurance coverage, including health, life, and disability insurance. Ensure you have adequate coverage to protect yourself and your loved ones from financial hardship in case of illness, injury, or unexpected death. Create or update your estate plan. This includes drafting or revising your will, establishing a trust if necessary, and designating beneficiaries for your accounts. A well-structured estate plan can help minimize taxes, avoid probate delays, and ensure that your assets are distributed according to your wishes. Consider long-term care insurance, especially as you or your loved ones age. Long-term care expenses can be significant, and having insurance can provide financial peace of mind and protect your assets from being depleted by these costs. Remember, safeguarding your financial future is about being prepared for the unexpected and ensuring that you have a plan in place to navigate life's challenges. Section 1. Conquering the savings slump. Life in your 40s and 50s can feel like a juggling act, and sometimes saving for the future takes a back seat to more immediate demands. Maybe you're grappling with unexpected home repairs, your child needs help with a down payment, or you're trying to support aging parents. It's easy to feel like you're falling behind on your savings goals, but don't despair. First, take a deep breath and acknowledge that setbacks are a normal part of life. Don't let temporary obstacles derail your long-term financial plan. Revisit your budget and see if there are areas where you can trim expenses, even temporarily, to free up extra cash for savings. Remember that small changes can make a big difference. Can you commit to packing your lunch a few times a week instead of eating out? Could you explore cheaper entertainment options like free concerts in the park or movie nights at home? Get creative and find ways to reduce spending without sacrificing your quality of life. Reassess your financial priorities. If you're feeling overwhelmed, focus on making small but consistent contributions to your savings, even if it's just a small amount each month. Remember, every little bit counts. As your financial situation stabilizes, you can gradually increase your savings rate. Investing can be intimidating, especially if you're new to it, or if the market is experiencing volatility. It's natural to feel anxious about putting your hard-earned money at risk. You might be tempted to avoid investing altogether or to make impulsive decisions based on fear or speculation. However, it's important to remember that informed investing is a long-term game. Instead of letting anxiety paralyze you, educate yourself about different investment options and strategies. There are countless resources available online, in libraries, and through financial education workshops. Understanding the basics of investing can empower you to make more informed decisions and feel more confident about your investment choices. Consider working with a qualified financial advisor. A good advisor can help you create a personalized investment plan based on your risk tolerance, financial goals, and time horizon. They can also provide objective guidance and support during times of market turbulence. Remember that time is your greatest asset when it comes to investing. The sooner you start investing, the more time your money has to grow through the power of compounding. Don't let fear or procrastination prevent you from taking advantage of this powerful wealth-building tool. Life is full of surprises, and not all of them are pleasant. Unexpected events such as job loss, medical emergencies, or natural disasters can throw your carefully crafted financial plans off course. These events can be stressful and overwhelming, both emotionally and financially. The key to navigating unexpected financial storms is to be prepared. Having an emergency fund in place can provide a financial cushion to help you weather the storm without derailing your long-term financial goals. Aim to have at least 6 months' worth of living expenses saved in a readily accessible account. Review your insurance coverage regularly to ensure you have adequate protection for yourself and your loved ones. This includes health, life, disability, and property insurance. Having the right insurance coverage can help mitigate financial losses and provide peace of mind during uncertain times. Don't be afraid to ask for help if you need it. Reach out to family, friends, or financial professionals for support and guidance. There are also community resources available, such as credit counseling agencies and government assistance programs that can provide financial assistance and support during difficult times. Remember, unexpected financial challenges are a part of life. By being prepared, staying informed, and seeking support when needed, You can weather these storms and emerge stronger and more resilient on the other side. Imagine a life where you feel financially secure, knowing you've taken the right steps to build a solid foundation for your future. This is the power of taking control of your finances in your 40s and 50s. By implementing the strategies outlined in this essay, you're not just setting yourself up for a comfortable retirement. You're creating a ripple effect that will benefit you and your loved ones for years to come. Picture yourself enjoying the fruits of your labor. You've paid off your mortgage, your retirement savings are growing steadily, and you have the financial freedom to pursue your passions, travel the world, or spend quality time with loved ones without financial worries weighing you down. This is the peace of mind that comes with knowing you've made smart financial choices. More than that, you're setting a powerful example for your children and grandchildren. By demonstrating financial responsibility, you're instilling valuable lessons about saving, investing, and managing money wisely. These lessons will serve them well throughout their lives and empower them to achieve their own financial dreams. Remember that financial success is a journey, not a destination. There will be challenges and setbacks along the way, but by staying focused on your goals, adapting to changing circumstances, and seeking support when needed, you can overcome obstacles and create a brighter financial future for yourself and those you care about most. You've made it to the end of this essay, but this is just the beginning of your journey to financial freedom. The knowledge you've gained is a powerful tool, and now it's time to put it into action. Don't let this information sit idly by. Take that first step today. Start by reviewing your budget, setting clear financial goals, and creating a plan to achieve them. If you're feeling overwhelmed, start small. Even making one positive change to your financial habits can make a difference over time. Remember that you don't have to do this alone. There are countless resources available to support you on your journey, from financial advisors to online communities to educational books and podcasts. Seek out information, ask questions, and connect with others who are on a similar path. As you implement these strategies and experience the positive impact on your finances, share your knowledge with others. Talk to your family and friends about the importance of financial literacy and empower them to take control of their own financial well-being. Your 40s and 50s are a time of incredible potential, both personally and financially. By making smart choices today, you can unlock a future filled with financial security, peace of mind, and the freedom to live life on your own terms. The journey starts now.